to go.
Unrest at a big gathering of car enthusiasts in Ocean City.
Yeah, some police officers had rocks thrown at them.
Out of control. That's how some people are describing this year's unofficial H2O event in Ocean City.
In the name of the RB, the 2J, and the Mighty Rotary, have a safe send, my child.
Two-step, Shady. Two-step, two-step. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it. How have you not been impounded yet?
We don't drive. We don't drive.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it.
No, that shit's not even registered.
The fuck happened? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Ocean City, Maryland. It's super bright outside. I'm with Sophia. We are about to do our first stroll on Ocean City highway, or whatever you want to call it, and hopefully we don't get pulled over. So damn, I'm sorry.
Yeah, like bend that way.
That's me, man.
Yeah, I didn't really have a problem. I got you.
That's a perfect example why people should not come to H2O with camera, because shit like that happens. You get pulled over, you get towed, and I think everyone just wants to see who can get the most tickets.
86.
Thank you!
I'm gonna get one after college.
I hope you do.
I'm getting one.
Do it.
Add me on YouTube, bigbet.com.
How would you like me to service you? May I see your ID, please? Yes, sir.
I rang for beer.
That's a shame.
Wow.
We keep you guys entertained.
Yeah, man. It's cool. I don't have a problem with it either. Yeah.
Doesn't matter, we're not fucking leaving!
Hey.
No, me neither.
Bye.
You know that doesn't even affect me.
But I can't chain wing, aiming for your body, shots hit your brain.
Can I get a yeah?
Let's go. Going down the back, right? There you go. Hey, we got to go.
We're back.
You got it.
Never. Fuck.
It's all right. Take it easy. The confidence.
You got it. Cody. Go. Ah! Ah! Come on! Ah!
No, bro.
Yeah! following them over, or?
I don't. We came to one of those block parties that are supposed to be happening here in H2O, but as you guys can see, the cops are already over here, and they're already coming down over here. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen now.
He was like, yo, it'd be cool like if the cops like give us like one street to do like burnout, so it'd be the burnout bin.
street.
And he was like, and then they take that rubber and give it to charity.
So what the fuck with that?
Actually, no. Here's where it works.
Tires, bro.
Yeah, they're gonna fix all the turf fields.
You gotta fix the fucking streets.
Yo, potholes.
Yeah,
You put rubber.
You know those memes of like the two last bracelets of in your brain that just dance like this? That's how I feel when they talk.
Yeah.
How you doing? Stop.
Put out.
You want to be on my vlog? You got any words of wisdom to anybody who's aspiring to be a videographer or a photographer in any way, shape, or form?
You gotta work every day. Your life's 8 days a week, and you'll make it.
Okay, nice. I keep asking him if he ever gets tired holding this shit, but I guess you do it so often that you don't care.
Memory.
Ah.
My arms are just forever in this position.
Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Are you excited? This is your first one? I hope you know that we're wearing the same shoes though.
Oh, yeah?
Gang! I'll see you.
North 33 GTR.
You bumping in there. What are those chips? Lace? Ow, okay. Crispy two-step. Two-step, two-step. Ah! It's crazy how many cars are down here for H2O. I think a lot of people underestimate the amount of people that come to Ocean City, Maryland around this week. It's stupid crazy out here. Somebody already got run over. Police are arresting people left and right. I don't know what else is down for tonight, but I'm kind of scared because it is the last night and it tends to be the craziest night of them all. Yeah, hell yeah!
Let's go. Hey, let's go. Hey.
This your car? That's just fine.
Thank you so much. What's that? For the vlog, for the vlog! My God, look at this shit.
That lady.
Yo.
For what? You're under arrest. For what? No, get over here. For what? Get over here right now. For what? Yo, you're touching
Bye.